All right, does my hair look okay? All right, this is Tim and Max from Rusty Restorations. Today we're going to be talking about how we restored these wheels, and we're going to talk about a trip I took to a swap meet and a special find I found when we went to my buddy's friend's house. So stay tuned and get a little bit of R&R.
So this is how we restore a set of wheels. First thing you want to do is you want to strip the wheels down to the bare aluminum. So what we did was we used an outside sandblaster like that one and a fine blast media. So here's that process. Now you got to take your time with this process. It isn't something that you want to rush. The way you prep the wheels is super important for the final product, and if you leave any paint on there, or you don't bring it all the way down, or you do it unevenly, it's going to show through. You're going to see it in the clear coat. So this is what your wheels should look like when you're done, and this is what you should look like when you're done if you do the same thing as me. It's very messy work. So then we sealed the wheels. The reason we didn't use an epoxy primer is because we wanted to paint them right away. So after that sealer flashed, we just immediately laid down 2 coats of color. And in between the coats of color, you can tack rag the wheels just to make sure you don't get any dust nibs. Then we clear coated them. We did 2 coats of clear coat. And this is the result. Same thing, it's pretty much the same process with a spray paint. We just chose to use actual gun paint. And this is the wheels in the car.
Hello, Tim from Rusty Restorations. We're heading off to get some parts at the swap meet once a month and see what we find. Hopefully I can find some Camaro parts. My buddy Dan, and he had to go pick something up at his buddy's house afterwards, and here is this thing. Looks like a 1971 AMC Javelin from Florida. Pretty rust free. I want to buy it. I always want to buy everything. And behind it is an AMC or AMX Spirit. Both solid. Those 3 cars. You can see that. It was turned into a drag car at one point. So, but this one, very interested in buying this car. Don't think they'll sell it to me. I guess it was her father's car. But yeah, I'm interested. So as far as the hunt for Camaro parts. Didn't find anything, but you saw I found the Javelin. I also did find a lead on a Camaro because I love buying cars, especially F bodies. So maybe that will be in the next video too. So I think it's a 79 Camaro. Hopefully you'll see that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you didn't, what am I gonna do? So next week we'll be doing some rust on a Tacoma and a really involved process of that. And I hope you like that video too. That's really a lot of what I do here. All right, so thanks for watching, and you
Tune in next week.
Yeah, tune in next week.